Hi friends, welcome to OCI Fundamentals for Beginners series. When we created the OCI account, we gave our credit card details for the billing and verification purposes, right? So many of us may be worrying about that OCI will deduct money from this payment method if our usage exceeds accidentally or by unknowingly. We are new to OCI and it's quite natural that we may forget to turn off or delete services after doing the lapse. So in this situation, we can make use of this budget facility. We will get an idea about the usage depends upon the threshold we set. So let's see how we can do that. A budget is necessary to monitor and track the usage of OCI resources. If we set up a budget, the OCI will send alert notifications if we met a certain budget threshold. We can set up the budget so that we will get alert based on either a forecasted usage or on an actual usage. So for setting up a budget, go to the navigation menu and come down to billing and cost management and then choose the budgets link from here. Here click on the create budget button and just give a name for our budget. I am going to give OCI Labs budget and give a description to monitor OCI Labs usage. Okay, then the compartment we need to choose. I am choosing the compartment we created earlier, that is the OCI Labs compartment, because here I am planning to monitor the usage of this compartment. Okay, the resources that we are going to create inside this OCI Labs, and we want to monitor the usage of resources inside this OCI Labs compartment. So I am choosing this compartment now. Then schedule we can choose monthly itself, and here we can create just give a budget, depends upon what you like. See, you can even give $1 or can give $10, and the OCI will alert you when the budget threshold reaches this amount that you give here. Okay, so I am giving $10 here. Then the which date the budget period you want to start with, that is the month date of the month. I am giving one itself. I am choosing one itself. Then the budget alert rule. Okay, here there are two options. One is the actual spend and another one is the forecast spend. The actual spend is the amount of resources that is already used, that is the correct amount, and the forecast spend is the forecasted usage that OCI will calculate and tell us that how much money it will be depends upon the current usage. That is the difference between actual spend and forecasted spend. Then the threshold type is percentage of the budget or the absolute amount. The percentage of the usage means, for example, if I am giving 75% here of the budget we set, that is 75% of the $10. If we reach the 75% of the $10 we set here, then the OCI will send an alert here. Or we can specify an actual amount itself. If I select the actual amount option here and give 5 here, then when it reaches the $5, the OCI will send us the alert. So here I am choosing the percentage of alert option and giving 75%. Then the email recipient, to which email the OCI has to send the alert, that we need to mention here. So I am giving a email here. Then the optional message, some message like budget threshold reached, check the usage, something like that. This is an optional feature. Okay, after that click on the create button. Yes, now this budget is created. So whenever our usage reaches 75% of this $10 monthly, the OCI will send us an alert. So we will be able to know and we will have an idea about the usage. So before starting doing lab experiments, it is always a good practice to set a budget with a threshold you like. For example, the one we set here, we set $10, or you can even set $5 or $1 like that. Okay, so we can see in the next session now.